In a most important question has been asked by the King Parikshit Maharaj. And at the outset of the Sattama Skandham, in the selection here, that why there is a difference between Daityas and Suras, and why they have chosen, why the Suras have chosen only the good part, while Asuras have chosen the Dvesha, Krodha, and all these things. So why this kind of changes have come to? And so I want to know to clarification for this kind of happening. And that's what is the question. For that, Sukha Maharshi said, yes, it is true in the nature, Sattvam, Raja, and Tamas are the common qualities that join all people. Prakrutehe Atmano Gunaha. See, Atmano Gunaha, because Atma has got the Guna. Sarira is only a projectile. Atma is the center. Therefore, the projectile depends upon or behaves according as the Sattva, Rajas, Tamo Gunas. And those people who give importance for Sattva Guna and that more percentage, then they will be having the Ullasa, Hasa and Ullasa and all that. But the other people, if they are not able to give importance to that, but get merged with the Rajoguna and Tamoguna, they will have a great difficulty at all. But ultimately, Sattva Guna wins the race. Sattva Suddhihi, Sattvasya Vijayam Krishna. Always there will be Vijayam for the Krishna, for the Sattva Guna. That's why, however strong the demons are, no demons survived. They have become, they are so great devotees, like Ravana, Banasura, Madhukaitavha, then this Mahishasura, Sumbhari Sumbha. Well, these are all the great, great devotees of Lord, devotees of Devi, and they are pictured very much in the Puranas. But ultimately, they have a great weakness, and that great weakness pulled them down, and therefore they had to end up themselves in a miserable state, mostly in the war. And they war with the gods, with sattvas, until the last drop of the blood. But ultimately, the gods take permission and then they finish off, because in the creation, only sattva must be present, while all other gunas, which are prakriti janya, have got to be subdued. And secondly, the time is more important. Kalaya tasmai namaha. That's why in the previous sloka 226, we have noted sattvasya jayakala, and tamasaha raksharamsi tatkala anuguno bhavat. And all these three gunas don't be always equal. And according as the time process, the gunas also will have their behavior. Therefore, we said Jayakale tu sattvasya. That's what it is said. And Devarshin Rajasa Suran Tamasaha Yaksharakshamsi, and the explanation given Tatkala Anuguno Bhajat. So this is one question that ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಚೂಸಾರ ಏನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಜನರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ? Why there are slight differences, 20, 30, 15, 20, 15, 30, 40, 60, 80, 70, all this kind of splitting and allotments are being done. Though a large area is there taken by the BDA, but they want to accommodate more and more people and applications. People means applications. So where there are applications, each application is a man, is a person. So behind application or behind files, there is an individual, there is a human being. And so they have to look after them. Therefore, they divide and provide time. And all this time is a kala anugunaha. To explain more materially, so people attempt to get to site allotment. They attempt for BDF 2 times, 3 times, and only 7th time they may get allotment of some site. Why this? This is all because of the time, because of our fortune or Purva Janma Punya Kruta Karma. Because karma is an important thing which Krishna has been hammering. Punya, the karma also has majorly 2 divisions, Punya karma and Papa karma. We don't only enjoy Papa karma, we also enjoy Punya karma. If you are going on flight, it's a Punya karma. If you are going in a Grand Train Express, it's a Punya karma. Because you are sitting, you are having a wonderful, comfortable journey, not walking or anything like that. Now, you see, in Tirupati to go upstairs, to go up hills, they have provided a new margam from November 1st or so. They are opening the steps with more comfort, more glazary things. And that from Alipuri also, you can climb up. So to say, because of the time, in earlier days, last century, you could not have, it was a hardship to climb the steps. Therefore, Sattvam Rajastamaha Prakrutehe Gunaha Sattvasya Kaletu Jayaha. That is what is the answer given by Shuka Maharshi, who is again a Brahma. He is a Brahma and he knows all that. And immediately next we have got selection by Narada, because it is all Gnana Goshti. Bhagavatam is a Gnana Sabha. Bhagavatam is a discussion where all scholars will join, something like the present day seminars. Present day seminars, where seminars are there, conferences are there, symposium is there. All this is for human beings. And all human beings are scholars, but with different faculties, different focuses, different levels of intelligence, etc. Like that, here also we have got Shuka Maharshi, Vyasa Maharshi, Narada Maharshi, and also the god like Yama, and so many gods and seers both meet in a conference, and they try to put forth their opinion for the advantage of the people at large, for the generations of people coming forth. And some are valid. Therefore, I think in this Narada speech, let us know what Narada wants to add to the issue raised by the king, Parikshit Maharaja, and Shuka Maharshi has answered, and let us know Narada. Because it is our Taittiriya Upanishad has told us, ye kechas matsreya gumso brahmana tesham tvayasanena prasvasitavyam. Meaning that your guru knows A, and there are other gurus who know B, C, D, and more. So if you chance to meet them also, you try to converse and add to your knowledge, and Guru will be happier. A true Guru will be happier. Oh, my Shishya has added something to this. Like that, he said, for example, I talk about my personal case. My Guru did, when I was working on the literary content of the Yajurveda mantras, I had one direction given by my research guide, but there was another colleague by name N.D. Pandit, I remember. So he said, Prabhakar, you do statistical representation of the gurus or rishis that they come and their opinion, which comes out in the Satvada Brahmanam or in the Yajurveda. It was really a nice idea. I talked with the Guru, and my Guru said, yes, Prabhakar, if you could, you do it. That's also an interesting section of your pursuit. So like that, we should have that kind of open-mindedness. So Narada Maharshi talks to here. Chapandi tasmad vairanu bandhena. Yes.
Tasmat vairanu bandhena.
Nirvairena bhayena va.
Nirvairena bhayena va. निर्वैरेण भयेन वा
स्नेहात् कायेन वा युञ्ज्यातु
स्नेहात् कायेन वा युञ्ज्यात् स्नेहात् कायेन वा युञ्ज्यात्
कथं छिन्नेक्षते पृथक्
कथञ्चिन्नेक्षते पृथक् कथञ्चिन्नेक्षते पृथक्
गोप्यः कामात् भयात्
गोप्यः कामात् भयात् गोप्यः कामात् भयात्
कंसो द्वेषाच्च
कंसो द्वेषाच्च कंसो द्वेषाच्च
चेद्यादयो नृपाः
चेत्यादयो नृपाः चेत्यादयो चेत्यादयो नृपाः
सम्बन्धात् वृष्णयः
सम्बन्धात् वृष्णयः सम्बन्धात् वृष्णयः
स्नेहात् यूयम्
स्नेहात् यूयम् स्नेहात् यूयम्
वयं भक्त्या वयं नृपा
भक्त्या वयं विभो भक्त्या वयं विभो
हिरण्यकशिपुः भ्रातुः
हिरण्यकशिपुर्भ्रातुः हिरण्यकशिपुर्भ्रातुः
सम्परेतस्य दुःखितः
सम्परेतस्य दुःखितः सम्परेतस्य दुःखितः
कृत्वातिलोभाकादीनि
कृत्वा
कृत्वातिलोदकानि कृत्वातिलोदकादीनि
कृत्वा त्रिलोकादीनि त्रिलोदकादीनि कृत्वा त्रिलोदकादीनि
वेरी गुड भ्रातृपुत्रान् सान्त्वयतु
भ्रातृपुत्रान् सान्त्वयत् भ्रातृपुत्रान् सान्त्वयत्
भ्रातृपुत्रान् सान्त्वयतु
भ्रातृपुत्रान् न सान्त्यवत्यवत्
very good. See, now we have got a wonderful solution, Amma. Narada is always sorting out the thing. He's a solution maker. And then if you talk about IT solutions, we have got Bhagavata solutions for our life problems and life natures. Therefore, everybody must read Bhagavatam. Yakendre, Namma life alli, every individual comes across different contexts and situations and circumstances. So there will be gurus and no gurus, but our own Atma is our guru. Atmane Gurave Namaha. So Atma Buddhis Sukham Chaiva Guru Buddhir Viseshataha Atmanubandhino Dehinaha. So we have got a number of statements that the Atma, what is Atma? Saraswati, Atma means culture. See, whatever culture you try to fix in the Atma, through body, through intelligence, through study, through contact, that Atma becomes more and more stronger, purer, sanctified, spiritual. Ledu annavante, manam eppudu we find the whole world to be real, and we think that we live permanently in the world, and with that Maya, we go on because anything can happen to us anytime. There is nothing like timing, and that timing we don't know. That's exactly where here Krishna, Narada Maharshi is telling Tasmat, because the three gunas are linked up with ourselves, Sattva, Raja, and Tama. And those gunas are common to Prakriti. Whoever has got birth, all the birth people have got this kind of comfort of gunas. Something like the birth people in the railway trains. In the compartment, if you have birth, you are comfortable. So birth and birth, but we have to make that very comfortable. What is that? Sattva, Raja and Tamas. Therefore, what he is telling is Vaira Anubandhena Nirvairena Bhayena Snehat Kayena Yunjat Kathanchitu Itchate Pratak. See, your Kaya andre Sariram. Kaya ante Kalevaram. Kaya ante Deham, the body. So the body is to be yoked. That's exactly where the intervention of yoga comes to body. Shariram unna tarvata yoga abhyasam cheyali. And that's why our yoga enti ante mana Kalidasu beautifully istadu. So here, what is that? He gives Kaumare abhyasta vidyana yavvane vishayeshinam vardhake munivrittinam yogenante tanutyaja. Andre ನಮ್ಮ scheme ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಳಿದಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, as we are young small boys or girls, abhyasta vidyanam, you have to spend time in learning more and more arts and science and all that, some knowledge. Abhyasta Vidyana. Vidyas are several, 78 Vidyas are there. 64 kalas, 14 sciences. These are called Chaturdasha Mahavidya. Chaturdasha Mahavidya. But footnote like the division, subdivisions and subdivisions are many, many, many more. For example, cinematography is there, acting is there, editing is there. It's all Sanva Prapancham in film industry. Like that, we have the film industry is a Vidya. But that has got so many components or divisions. In that manner, every branch of study has got so much of divisions and subdivisions of the branches of learning. In Vedic world, you have got beautifully eschatology, and which we have to know more during this Mahalaya Amavasya days. Then Patrupakshas, because during 15 days, people talk a lot about the departed souls, which are called as mains. వాళ్ళకి ఏంటంటే సంవత్సరం లోపల ఏ దినాల్లో వెళ్ళిపోయినారో ఆయా దినాల లోపల వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ సంబంధీకులను చూడడానికి దగ్గరగా వచ్చి వెయిట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారట. The departed souls will come back and then look for their belongings upon the earth, relatives, whether they can give some water, that too with tila, sometimes with tilodakas. Nitya tarpana mere water, but on Pitru days, if you give tarpana, you have to do it with tila. Tila is the sesaman seeds which will wash the connections too much and make both of them independent, that they get mutually pleased. Therefore, Tilan Jeho Visarasagam Sapistan Mamachitte Ramantu Swaha is one of the formulas in the Virajaho mantras found in the Mahanarayana Upanishad. Saraswati Veda class kappadana vachiri vinandi.
Yes, sir.
I am just going on with Brahma Yajna. Probably I will conclude on Badavaram 9 o'clock. Because I want to start Mahanarayana Upanishad after this.
I will definitely join for that.
So in Mahanarayana Upanishad, it is an encyclopedia of religious, spiritual, and other aspects of human life and living. Andulopala, if people at one stage, as our Bhagavatam tells us, one has to develop the attitude to renounce. We have desires and wants pestering us up to some age. And after some age, you have to hold control over them and go with the needs, but not luxuries and more than its needs. And that's what our Vedantic texts or Veda philosophers will tell. And at a formative stage, we have got to hear, Kaumare Abhyasta Vidyana, when you are up to 25 years, or around that time, you should be a student. How many degrees, however knowledge you earn, however slokas you recite, however all earning and all that, will stand strong for 75 years more. If I am quoting now this slokas, not that I learned just now or copied from somewhere, or I am looking and quoting, is it not? So, when I was boy from our Medavaram Subramanya Shastri, when I was reading Raghuvamsam under him, and he had taught us that particular section of canto. Fortunately, it has entered into my mind. It's all common to all people. So, Kaumare Abhyasta Vidyanam, and Abhyasta Vidya is a yoga during the young days. You got to go to school in time, punctually, sit in the class, listen to teachers, do your homework properly, make good preparation, answer the question paper, get distinction marks, go to next class. This is all a kind of yoga. That is, you are trying to equip your Atma with that. Then, Yavvane Vishayeshinam, from 25 to 50 years, say for example, or you a little more, you have to be attending to family requirements, job requirements, and more than all these things you have got to complete by about 50 to 50 years or around that time. And Vardhake Munivruttena, when once you cross 50 and above, or even 60 around, you have to have the Munivrutti. That's why we have got one Muniraj looking to us, hearing us. So he's a Muniraj, I think so. That is Raj, means Muniraj means brilliant as a Muni. Even among Munis, there are brilliant and otherwise Munis. So, for example, Durvasa, Agastya, Visishta, they're all Munis, Munirajas. So to say, they're all great tapaswins. Therefore, Munivrittinam and Yogena Ante Tanuchajam, you will get the idea as you progress in life. You have to send your body, pranam, up the body through the sahasrara whole. So that could be possible through the yoga. That's why yogaen ante tanutyajam. So your tanutyaga, or giving up your body, because body is like a shirt, as Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Jirna nivasamsi yatha vihaya naro parani grunhati tathaiva. So sarirani. So jirna is a cloth, pata. Cloth gets worn out, loses its color, loses texture, or loses its glamour. Ultimately, you dislike the shirt or cloth which you are using after some length of life. So that is how the body also, you don't want to hold the body when once the body starts decaying or telling you so many things. Therefore, Krishna, Narada Maharshi is telling that Yunjita, say, Vaira Anubandhena, Nirvairena, Bhayena, Snehena, Kayena, Va Yunjat, Katham Chitu, and eat na Pruthak Yitshate. But people are always yoked with Vairam, Anubandha, or no enmity, but friendship. Nirvaira means friendship. And Bhaya, fear, Sneha, too much affectionate friendship. And all these things are something which you have got to pick up to your body. Some people pick up Vairam lifelong. Some people pick up Anubandha lifelong. They keep on crying even the fellow dies. Long years they remember. Anytime they are made to remember, they cry. No, that's what we call Anubandha. And also Nirvairena. So you be neutral. Don't have enmity, don't have friendship, don't have. That's exactly what called Mitrasya, Mitra. Therefore, we say Mitrasya Chachusha Ichadvam antadu. మన యజుర్వేదం లోపల మనకి ఇచ్చిన సుభాషణ ఏంటంటే మిత్రస్య చక్షుష ఇచ్చద్వం. You look things with a friendly outlook. Whenever you see people, don't pick up either anger or jealous or attachment or nothing. That's why you say hi or hello. And in India, it is different. Even hello, they don't say. Like two MAs, they will be standing each other. But no MAs, no two buffaloes will greet each other, but keep on seeing each other. No. But at least here sometimes we feel people saying to strangers, they say hello, hello, hello. That's all. And they don't be there for your buy, they will be there. So like that, it is called Nirvairena Mitrasya Chakshusha Ikshadvam. And Bhayenava. Bhaya is fear. Bhaya is rogam. Do Bhayamandre, disease also is a fear. Samsara Bhayanashanaha, Roga Bhaya Bhanjakaha. So you are a Roga Bhaya Bhanjana, Samsara Bhaya Bhanjana. So we are always gripped with fear. If you don't have a fear for yourself, your parents will have fear about you until sometime when you realize what is fear. For example, the children, when they are in your hand, they don't care you. Avana Saraswati, వాళ్ళు ఎత్తుకొని ఉంటే అలా వంగి కింది పడిపోదామంట.
Yeah.
But you have to exert more energy.
Yes.
To keep the baby tight. And the baby wants to go on in the road, but you have to. So because we did babysitting, we know the experience at work for some time. Because the babies don't want to be chained with folds. They want to be free. So that's why exactly called bhaya. మనకు భయం ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళకి భయం లేదు. బాడీ గురించి చిన్న పిల్లల భయం లేదు, మనకు ఉంటుంది. పడతావురా. Hey, you will fall down, you will hurt yourself. That's how elders keep shouting, is it not? So to whom is the fear? Is the fear in the elders who take care of them. But the person, the boy, the small boy, he has no care at all to the body. He will fall as he likes. So that's what is called Bhayenava. And Snehat. Sneha is attachment, something like Sugriva and Rama. So Rama is afraid, in a good sense, that Sugriva might become hurt. Or Sugriva also is worried whether Rama is hurt. So that was the kind of friendship between Sugriva and Rama. Otherwise, what interest is there for Sugriva, Anjaneya, and all those Vanaras to listen to the problem and crisis of a man who lost his wife by a terrible demon, Ravana, and to go and fight and help Rama to kill him and all that. So imagine Ramayana is such a story that though you are simple, but when a powerful person or when a needy person comes to you for help, you should try to help as much as possible. That is the message of Ramayana. That is the message of Bhagavatam. That is the message of Mahabharatam also. So why I am telling is, we are going to work upon the theme for our next annual day celebrations. Maybe in November last or December. The topic is the epics, Bhagavatam, Ramayana, Mahabharatam, as the source books for our present day contemporary ease and happiness. So మనకు ఈ రోజుల్లో కూడా రామాయణం, భారతం, భాగవతం ఎలా మనకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. So you have to give a different color, not only the story run of these scriptures, but also you should give a color and see that the contemporary situation or generation is being helped. I think that is what the plan I'm thinking. I don't know. You should always second it. So, Kayena va yunjyat, Snehat Kayena va yunjyat. Kaya means body, physical training, gymnasium, trying to muscle building, and all that is called Kaya. Some people are there, they focus only on the body, building the muscles, strengthening the bones, etc. So these wrestlers, for example, the box fighters, all these things, they put more and more stress upon their body building. So Kayena va yunjyat. Katham chitu, that's important. ఈ కథం చిత్తు అనేది చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉంటుంది. See, any measure you want, you can take it, but you should attach to that. You should. So, prithak ichhate. So you have to katham chitu ichhate prithaku. And again, the next sloka Narada gives as Arthamaindra. I think Saraswati got it. Meaning,
Yes, sir.
So you can, in between also, you can put some doubts, and then if you have anywhere I can stop, and because it's a kind of understanding between both. I am not only the speaker, you are also the participants.
Sure.
Therefore, now to summarize, Vairam, Anubandha, Nirvaira, Bhaya, Sneha, Kayena. These are all the important things separately, collectively, you have to pay attention. But most important ఏంటి అంటే in 22-28 you see gopyah kamat bhayat kamsah dveshacha chedyadayo nrupaha sambandhat vrishnayah snehat yuyam bhaktya vayam nrupa. O Raja, O Parikshit Maharaja, I am not telling what is that, what is the work that we have got before us. This is the nature. We have gopyaha kamat bhayat kamsaha. The kamsa has got to be prevented from passion and bhaya, fear. So these are the two things that is spoiling kamsa. Kamsudiki ఏంటంటే రాజ్యంలో కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఉండాలి. And Krishna putti chavu nunchi bhayam undi. Kamsa doesn't want to die. So he has the desire not to die. And you should not also have that kind of fear. And bhayat kamsaha. And chedyadayo nrupa, and chedya rajulu, beginning from Shishupala, Dantavakra, and all these fellows who are the rulers of the Chedya dynasty, are belonging to Chaitya dynasty. Shishupala was one important fellow. Dantavakra is another fellow. So these are all the fellows who have got to be attended to. And the third one is Vrishnayah Sambandhat. Vrishnayah means all the Gopa Gopis. Vrishni Vamshamalo పుట్టినటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఎవరు కృష్ణుని యొక్క బంధువులు. Vrishnayah, that's why Krishna is called as a Varshneya. Your notes చేసుకుంటూ ఉండండి. Keep making some notes because you can't always depend upon the YouTube.
No, I'm making notes, sir.
Yeah, so that I can ask you write something, because tomorrow you have got to present a beautiful presentation on Bhagavad Saptasati. That will be what you learn, what Bhagavad Saptasati can teach us.
Definitely, I will do a good job this time.
Wonderful. Yeah, that spirit I appreciate, because there's plenty of time. 2 months time is there, approximately October, November, and December sometime, I don't know.
Definitely.
But it is too long a time. But what can Bhagavata Saptasati teach us?
Yes.
Something like in the model of the topic, Madhav Kulkarni. So that Max Muller is the one who said, Kulkarni or Max Muller has given lectures what India can teach us to all the ICS commissioned officers in the British time. In London, Max Muller, what India, because they are coming as administrators or commissioners to administer their power in India. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಈ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, for example, Lord Curzon, Lord Ripon, Lord and all these are all commissioners deputed from England to rule India.
British officers, yes.
Yeah, British officers.
Yes, sir.
Once they are selected as ICS members, they are given lectures or education. Before they come to India, they don't know India.
Okay.
So Max Muller was selected to give talks on what India can teach us.
Okay.
And a pustaka available, it is available. You shall Google and you will get the text available in the digital copy maybe. And I saw that book in the Seshadri Memorial Library, Bangalore.
Okay. Sheshadri, okay.
Long back, when I was a student, I had so many good new books, older ones. And I was able to go, when I come to Bangalore from Dharwad or from Pune for holidays, I used to visit Seshadri Memorial Library.
Sheshadri, okay, sir. Okay.
ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Sir, book name, sir. Sir, book name.
ಬುಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಅಸ್.
Max Muller. Okay.
Sir,
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
sir.
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಋಗ್ವೇದ ಋಗ್ವೇದ ಬೈ ರೆನು.
Rigveda.
Renu, RENUOU, NOU, Renu, and Rigveda or Veda book by Renu, and you should read that what India can teach us, and also History of Sanskrit Literature by Winternet.
Okay.
ಈ 3 ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೇಜಸ್ ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಈಸ್.
Okay.
See, we start now, just as that lady, doctor, nephrologist said, we are using vermilion, I mean, haldi. ಅದನ್ನ ಹಲ್ದಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಅಮೆರಿಕ ಅದರ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ್ರಿ ಹಲ್ದಿ, ನಾವು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಡುಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೇಟೆಂಟು, ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್.
Hopefully, like, Veda, they should not patent, sir, and saying they should not say that we have written the Veda.
No, they cannot do it. It is earlier than anybody's existence. That's why it is called Sanatanam. No, they cannot build. They can take contents from Veda and say that I have done this innovation and all that. But they cannot. That's why, that Einstein, he stood upon the shore of an ocean and took a small plastic pebble in his hand and said, I have discovered what I have discovered. He didn't say invention, Newton and Eisenhower. What I have discovered is not even equal to the small pebble piece.
Okay. So many things are there.
Nature is so vast that in human life, one human life is not enough.
Enough to. Okay. Right, sir. Correct.
Anta ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, and then you can understand that is the ripening of the spiritual aspect in their minds.
So fast.
There is no pride in them. Oh, I have discovered. No, they are just only and crusaders. ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡೋರು. ನಮ್ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದು ಏನೇನೋ ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Going to Delhi, Naimisaranya station will come. The very moment you see Naimisaranya, you are, as an Indian acquainted with spiritual literature, ನೈಮಿಸಾರಣ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಋಷಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಾಣಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is the Indian memory.
Yes, correct.
And there are some group of people who go to Naimisaranyam and they perform yagnas there, because the Naimisaranya Bhumi is a yagna Bhumi, and so whichever yagnas are done at that job, they will be able to go to get better benefits. Similarly, a great American scholar and scientist, a dendrologist by name Stahl, STAAL, Stahl ಅನ್ನೋನು 50s ಅಲ್ಲಿ, 70s ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಡಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಮನಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ನಿಚೈನ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಗ್ನಿಚೈನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫೈರ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಫಾಲ್ಕನ್. ಗರುಡರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 21 days ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅದು. It will be done for 21 days. ಯಜುರ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ 11 to 17, 18 ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ಕಾಶಿಕರ್ ಅಂತ, ಅವರು ಋತ್ವಿಕ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. He was also one of the Advaryus assistants. So ಅದ್ರ ಆ ಅಗ್ನಿಚೈನ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂತು. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪೂರ್ಣಾಹುತಿ, ಎ ಫಾಲ್ಕನ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ hovered around the Vedi. Garuda divine bird alva, celestial bird, vahanam for Vishnu, and it's also Vishnu itself. So
Vishnu
what is
Purana.
Vishnu? Yajna is Vishnu.
Correct. Correct.
Yajna, Vishnur Yajna, Yajnar Vishnu, Yagnapati Yajva, Yagno Yagnapatir Yajva, Yagnango Yagnavahana. Understand? This is Vishnu Sahasranamದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So ಯಜ್ಞಃ ಯಜ್ಞಪತಿಃ ಯಜ್ಞಾಂಗಃ ಯಜ್ಞವಾಹನ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಆ ಯಜ್ಞ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಗರುಡ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ರೈನ್ ಬಂತಂತಲ್ಲಿ.
Okay. Okay.
ಸೊ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್.
ವರುಣ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ.
ದೇವರು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮಳೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So that is the presentation or gift that gods can give us, rain,
ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ.
symbolizing
Yes.
their pleasing, their pleasantness. ಹಾಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಭಾಗವತ್ ಸಪ್ತಸತಿ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, why are we reading ಅಂದ್ರೆ, because now Saraswati we are Pujar and I think all these members Vasan or Seshatalaya planning to have a releasing function for Bhagavad Saptasati in our place.
Oh, fantastic.
ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವರು ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದೆಮ್ whoever wants to break a price, let them go pray. And it's very much cheaply priced. 100 is nothing for everybody who are all retired great people. So they can take more copies and distribute to their friends also. 100 rupees is nothing. But Saraswati has been a marvelous work. So you can ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಡೇ 10 o'clock 10:30 meet ಆಗಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ, then we'll have the release function. It all depends upon you to fix a date when you can do it.
Okay.
Sir, has the book reached your place?
ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. It has not yet come. ಅದೇ this morning I was telling my Lalita, she thought that already came. I think somebody can bring with you if you are. Then I told when they come, they will be brought here. But ours is limited, but you are there, people are there who are ready to waiting for that, I believe, in our Kendra. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾದವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ more than 100 people are there. At least a few people can attend and listen to Bhagavatam and have the, during Dasara anta helidini. I requested them during Dasara, before Dasami or on Dasami day.
That's a good one. That's really
That's right.
On Vijayadashami day, you can just plan to meet an hour or so and have the celebration and prasadam, naivedyam to Krishna and Guru Vandana, and then take the copies home. Chanagidhenri?
Karmadu sir, we'll make it.
So after a plan, Vijayadashami or before the date, Nimma Anukula Nodkondu, I don't know the day, the weekday. So Belage, Madhyana, Sayankala, anytime.
Anytime.
For some time and then have copies.
ಮಾಡುವ 100%. We'll make it.
ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, ಈಗ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಗೆ, ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ, ಋಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಜನರು ಸಾಯಬಾರ್ದು, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಜುರೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್. ದೇ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಡೆತ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸುನಾಯಾಸೇನ ಮರಣಂ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ we should not get our body punctured by the injections number of times.
Okay.
See, ನಮ್ಮ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, a cancer patient who died, I don't know how many punctures have happened to my body ಅಂತ. ಪಾಪ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 4 years he was sustained and then washed off. But anyway, ಆ ತರಹ ಆಗದೆ, ಯಾವ ತರಹನೂ ಆಗದೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ತರಹ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇವನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ, ಗೋಪ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಯಾರನ್ನ? ಕಂಸನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಕಂಸನಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮ ಅಂಡ್ ಭಯ. See, Kamsa is bhaya from Krishna, kama to continue to live, not to die. So this kama, this passion not to die, is one pestering Kamsa, and bhaya from Krishna will anytime he will come and jump on me and kill me.
Okay.
And he has got to be Gopya. And ye Cheda Rajas like Kamsa, like Shishupala, Dantavakra, and all those things have got lot of enmity, hatred towards Krishna or Bhagavan Vishnu.
Bhagavan. Okay.
So they're all called Devadveshakas, Devadvishaha.
Devadvishaha.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ವೃಷ್ಣಿಗಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂಧುಗಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಂತ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಧುರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಧುರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ತನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗೋಪಿ ಜನರು ತುಂಬಾ ದುಃಖ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವನು ಉದ್ಧವನ ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ಆ ಕಂಸನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ, ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೆಲೋ, ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಕಂಸನ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ರಾಜರ ಆಜ್ಞೆ ಬರಹ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಲರಾಮರನ್ನು ಮಧುರ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಪಲ್ಲಿಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗೋಪಿಯರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದುಃಖವಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಮ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಲರಾಮ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ he is happy because he can see his parents in Madura, jailed by Kamsa. And so ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅತಿ ಸ್ನೇಹ ನ ಕಾರ್ಯ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಂಧು ಜನರ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೋ ಮ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದೇರ್ ಡಿಸಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಹುಚ್ಚರಾಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಲವ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಅಪ್ ಟು 5 years you should handle the baby with all affection. And 5-10 years you should punish the baby, correct the baby, boy or girl. From 10 to 16 you have to advise the baby and see that the baby is on road in school, college. So from 16th year onwards putram mitravadacharet ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಪುತ್ರನಿಗೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮೇಲೆ ದ್ವೇಷ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ಪ ನನ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದಿ, ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂತ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ತರಹ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ she has so much regard for her father and mother. So such a service. ಅಂತ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಸೊ ದಿನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸತೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ, ಈಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ವೇದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ, ಈ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ 7:30 ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ 3 hospitals. So he was telling me, you're a good boy. I spoke to my mother and father this morning for a while and I'm now driving to hospital ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, that's exactly what is called ಸಂಬಂಧಾತ್ ವೃಷ್ಣಯ. ಅರ್ಥವಲ್ಲ? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರೊಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ UM ಸ್ನೇಹಾತ್. UM ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ಮಹಾರಾಜರು ನಿಮ್ಮಂತವರು ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ನೇಹದಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅರ್ಜ್ ಯು ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್. ಭಕ್ತರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಭಜನ್ಸ್. ಭಜನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಕ್ತರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಮೇಲೆ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಇದೆ, ದ್ವೇಷಿಸುವವರು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಭಕ್ತ್ಯಾ UM ಅಂಡ್ ವಯಂ ನೃಪ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಯಂ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಋಷಿಗಳು. UM ಸ್ನೇಹಾದಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮಂತ ಋಷಿಗಳು ಮುನಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಡಿವೋಷನ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. ಸೊ ನೃಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಎ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್. Saraswati, you got a point in this sloka.
Yes, sir.
For your paper, ఎలా ఉండాలంటే ఎవరెవరు ఎలా ఉండాలి, హౌ పీపుల్ షుడ్ బి డివైడింగ్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్ ఇన్ దేర్ ఓన్ జర్నీ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్.
Yeah, I totally agree with you, sir. But only one thing what I realized is when you are connected to the higher energy now, then automatically these connections, like whatever we sambandhas we have, it is not too much dependency is not there. We take care of the people, but it is not once they depart or there is some mishap happens at home, like, still people move on with the help of, like, God's faith in the God.
That's exactly what Krishna is hammering our head. Chakta karma phalapeksha. Karma guru.
Yes. Yeah.
Say karma phala sannyasa and karma phala tyaga, he promoted. And if you make that tyaga, what about my fate? You will put a question. Then he says, Mayarpita mano buddhi, Mayanyasta karma, karmani, Sanyasta karma, Mayanyasta karmani. So I am there to take care of you. Unless his stamp and signature is seal and signature is there, you cannot do anything, whatever you want to do.
Just like that.
And it gets postponed or cancelled. In the yoga, that's exactly what we call yoga. See, desires are always coming and going. Utpadyante, niliyante. The desires will crop up and sink down. But which desire crops up and get fructified, that is the desire. Kadandi?
Yes.
ఈ వచ్చిన కోరికలు తీరిందంటే ఆ తీరడమే పరమాత్మ యొక్క అనుగ్రహం. దేర్ Paramatma is sitting. If we have that kind of attitude, then we are not distressed. And that's exactly the thesis given by Yama to Nachiketa in Kathopanishad. ఇప్పుడు మీ అమ్మాయి మీ చెల్లెలకి ఇంక కఠోపనిషత్తు దింపుతాను తర్వాత.
I will join Mahanarayana Upanishad, definitely. I'm learning.
You join next, I think in not 1 or 2 weeks. I think next Wednesday I'll complete Brahma Yagnam and get on to Narayana. And here, Katha means distress. Dukkham. So, Dukkha Nivarana ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯಮನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಯಮ ಯಾರು? ಮೃತ್ಯು. ಮೃತ್ಯು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಯ, ದುಃಖ. ಆ ದುಃಖದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಡುವವರೇ ಯಮನಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So, see, our Rishis and Vedas are such a new, beautiful books that they stand significant eternally. Is it not? So they have that eternity given to us. So I think you understood. Now he comes to another example, Narada. Hiranyakasipuhu bhratuhu sampuretasya dukkitaha krutva tilodakadini bhratruputrana santvayatu. So he takes the example of Hiranyakasipu. One example is, see, Sambandhatanve. See, that Hiranyakasipu was so much distressed and became unhappy when his brother Hiranyaksha was killed. Dukkitaha samparetasya bhratuhu samparetasya. Samparaya andre sattod mele. When Hiranyaksha was killed by Vishnu, that dukkha tortured Hiranyakasipu.
Okay.
So much torture that he wanted to kill the killer himself. So ಯಾರು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ತನ್ನ ಬ್ರದರನ್ನ ತೃಪ್ತಿಪಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಿಲೋದಕಾದೀನಿ ಭ್ರಾತೃಪುತ್ರ ತಿಲೋದಕಾನಿ ಕೃತ್ವ, ತನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ತಿಲೋದಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಸಂತೃಪ್ತಿ ಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಣ್ಣನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, he took a oath to kill Vishnu and he offered the ತಿಲೋದಕಾಸ್. and ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಆತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೈರಂ, he picked up ವೈರಂ. And no child will like the killer of their father, is it not? So like that, Kritva Tilodakadini Bhratriputva Nasantayatu. And see, our Guru's selection is so nice that there is a connectivity from sloka to sloka.
Point for point.
But actually, this particular section is larger in Bhagavatam original.
Okay.
And our Ganesh, our Dhare also is doing Ganesh Purana 700 slokas.
Okay.
And he is sending already 300 slokas he has done. And another 4 he will finish. And he wanted to bring it in a book form, small pocket edition. I think I sent to Saraswati. She can talk to her people sometime. So, these 3 slokalu chala bagundi. See, we have the problem, we have the solution maker, and we have the solution. And the solution given is practical. And examples are also given to us. That's how the Bhagavatam goes to be a very interesting source for us. And now Yama comes into picture. Please repeat. Yama uvacha.
Yama uvacha. Yama uvacha.
Pathichutam tishtati.
Patichutam tishtati. Patichutam tishtati.
Ishtarakshitam.
Dishtarakshitam. Dishtarakshitam.
Grihasthitam tadvihatam.
Grihastitam tadvihatam. Grihastitam tadvihatam.
Vinasyati.
Vinashyati. Vinashyati.
Jivatyanathopi.
Jivatyanathopi. Jivatyanathopi.
Tadhikshate tadhikshato vane.
Tadikshito vane. Tadikshito vane.
Gruhepi gupto.
Gruhepi gupto. Gruhepi gupto.
Vihito na jivati.
Vihito na jivati. Vihito na jivati.
Yathanalo darusho.
Yatha nalo darushu. Yatha nalo darushu.
Bhinna iyate.
Bhinna iyate. Bhinnar iyate.
Yathanilo dehagataha.
Yatha nilo deha gataha. Yatha nilo deha gataha.
Pruthak sthitaha.
Prathak sthitaha. Prathak sthitaha.
Yatha nabhas sarvagatam.
Yatha nabhas sarvagatam. Yatha nabhas sarvagatam.
Nasajyate.
Nasajyate. Nasajyate.
Tatha puman.
Tatha gunais. Tatha gunais.
Sarva gunasraya paraha.
Sarva gunashraya paraha. Sarva gunashraya paraha.
Look at the Yama's solution. Enta baga chepparante, I love it. In this 231 slokam, it is said, Darushu analaha. In all trees, there is fire. But he is different than the trees there. Like that, though air is there in all bodies, but it is independent, does not get hurt. Now the Manju Daru is appearing. See, the Manju, the air inside our body is not visible. The fire inside the tree is not visible. Similarly, Yatha nabhas sarvagatam na sajyate. You can't have the total sight of the sky, though you are able to see. Like that, though a man is having all gunas deposited in him, but he is separate from the gunas. Because he is separate from the gunas, he has to choose, improve, develop, and establish the gunas in him. And that is the journey of life, 100 years. Shatamanam bhavatu, shatam vasantaha, sharadi vasantaha, like that. So 100 years of time given to us to pick up possible noble qualities and make your name remembered after you leave the body. ఎంత బాగుంది కదండి?
Yes, sir.
See,
But
you remember so many scholars. For example, yesterday, I think you remember Gandhi, you remember Lal Bahadur Shastri. Both photographs are kept together. Gandhi brought freedom to India. Lal Bahadur Shastri brought some extra renovation as a prime minister to the India. Though he was short-lived fellow, I mean, short time was a prime minister, and also he is also very short fellow. Among all prime ministers, his height is comparatively low. So Potti Vadiki Puttida Buddhulu anta. Shastri is the title that he has got. Lal Bahadur is the name. So his name is
Lal Bahadur Shastri, actually, he did a lot of favor for my family because my grandfather, he actually took the voluntary retirement to get his daughter married. And after, but then they had 3 kids, like, you know, so then my father, he took my grandfather and they traveled all over to Delhi from Chennai, and he didn't know Hindi at that time. He went and they used to have a group meeting, public meeting used to be there. So there Lal Bahadur Shastri had come. So whatever putta Hindi, English, something he managed, and he said that they need a job badly. And somehow, you know, they took my grandfather back to the job. He enabled it, you know, so that's why, like, you know, he has done a lot of favor to my family, Lal Bahadur Shastri.
grand. It's a grand instance quoting, because I read only, I see only, but that's why there was a conspiracy and all that, and so people are that. So I'm now Sarvagunasrayaha Punaha Purushaha. A man born has been endowed with all noble qualities, virtues, and but he is not all gunas embodiment, but the gunas are separate from the individual. Howsri? Now pick up ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ, for example, a small child, he doesn't want to share the toy. If another child, when he is playing with the toy, another child comes and wants to drag it, pull it out, this child won't allow. If not, if at all it happens by force, the child will cry, is it not? Now the parent must go and tell the baby, no, Amma, you share the baby, you share the toy to the next baby. So that kind of advice has got to be given right from then by the true parents. If that at that time, if you don't check that baby will become inimical. Avuna Saraswati, avudalri. So adukosara, under parents' guidance, the children must be brought up. If parents or elders' guidance is not there, children will grow helter-skelter. Amma appa ilde makkadu bandre, there is no discipline. For example, you see, go to Lord Shiva. Shiva has no parents. Adukosara, he never combs his hair. He is never nice fellow, neat fellow. He has got only a Kapala Patra. A skull is his Bhiksha Patra. All serpents are there. So much of Vibhuti, so much of Rudraksha. Do you like Shiva's appearance? But he is a great God. So, but he has involved, he has tried to show out all the Sarvagunas. So that's why Sarvagunasrayaha Puman. That is the definition. What is man? Man is an embodiment of all virtues. But the choice happens depending upon the context, circumstances, and brought up. Who said this statement? It is Yama. And we'll talk about more these 2 slokas in the next session, because Yamadharmaraja also contributes to the topic. What is the topic? Why is there a difference between Rakshasas and gods? And what are the main features? And how those main features are being under the experience of individuals, and how the individuals have got to monitor themselves with their own educational culture, at the same time listening to the corresponding elders and follow their advice now and then, see that they become the best citizens of the country or the life. So I think it's a wonderful, now even I'm getting some new ideas when I'm explaining to you that Bhagavata Saptasati or Bhagavatam in principle, supposing you read the entire Bhagavatam, your mind style or mind status will be quite different. I have read 2 times already Bhagavatam completely cover to cover. Now I have started recently the 3rd round reading, and every time I'm making notes, and my notes is becoming head, and all that is not in my head. But whenever it is needed, when I speak to you or somebody, I think Krishna is very much gracious to give me some kind of memory, that we are able to see what is large brought into a small space. Yavai bruhatu savai suchmam antare.
One of the best practice, sir, I'm learning from you is Bhagavatam. I also read every day, like 2 shlokas I'm reading.
Good.
But I'm not making notes. I think when you make a notes, then it gets registered more, and you remember. Otherwise, you're just reading, and after 15 days you forget about it. Correct? So you move on.
But it will come to again light after 10 years.
Because it two slokas per day, it will take 2 years, 3 years.
I'm just giving maximum time, but it will be a process.
Ah.
And innondenandre, whatever will, that's what is called, whatever we have, that will definitely blossom. Mogga unte puvu paramalistum kadandi. Kabatti tappakunda you will definitely be able to make it happen. So 3rd reading is giving me some more, but this reading of Bhagavata Saptasati is giving us a smaller way. All that, one small example I'll tell and stop because it's getting time for you. Hiranyakasipu went to Vaikuntham, and in order to find his enemy Vishnu, number of times he went to Vaikuntham. But at one time, what this Vishnu did, he assumed the Sushma Rupam and hid himself in the heart of Hiranyakasipu. Then how can Hiranyakasipu find Vishnu outside his heart? But when Prahlada showed that Vishnu is there in the pillar, then that Vishnu who had hidden inside himself in the heart of Hiranyakasipu, he only got manifested through the pillar, came out, and then fulfilled the desire of Hiranyakasipu for a fight. And that's what told in the Bhagavatam in full story. Chala bagundi kadandi. మనలో ఉన్న శక్తులే బయటికి వచ్చి ఆ శక్తులే మనల్ని కాపాడుతాయి.